How to remove friends on Discord. Sometimes friendship ends and that's totally okay. Today I will show you how to remove a friend on Discord quickly and quietly. Let's get into it. First, launch the Discord app or head to discord.com in your browser and log in. Click on the Friends tab in the left sidebar. Here you will see all your friends, online and offline. Scroll through the list or search their username. Once you find them, right click on their name. In the drop-down menu, click Remove Friend. A small confirmation will pop up and once clicked, boom, they are removed from your friend list. No notification is sent. It's private and peaceful. Bonus tip: if you want to go a step further, you can also block them or report them if you want. And that's it. Now you know how to remove someone from your Discord friend list. Quick, simple and stress-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.